episode, we're gonna do something a little bit different than my go-karts, but still it's gonna be a big part of my projects. So I got a long pieces of pipe laying around the property, so I've been picking it up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little trailer for pull with my Ford or my Jeep. It doesn't matter. Put it in the back. Can be a motorcycle or one of my go-karts, just for fun. I don't know. I think it's a pretty cool idea. So I have a new toy and I'm gonna put it to work. So let's get into it. So I think I'm gonna use these small tires for my build for my trailer. So I think I did enough today. I got the bed ready. I just have to get some treated wood and lay it in the floor. That's not gonna be much of a deal. I was more afraid to do this, and I think it's pretty much done. I got my trailer bed ready. I just painted. I picked this color because this is the only one I found around. Got yellow, blue, but I think this one is the best color I can pick for this project. So I can repaint it later, but right now I gotta paint it. Now I have to cut a little pieces of metal and put it on different spots so I can see my wood on top of it and it don't fall through. So let's do it.